Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 2022, and I'll show you the loudest speakers level of this device. I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speaker, then this value will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our HUAWEI MatePad reached 115.4 decibels. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.